This is Delilah with her dad doing some tricks. Woo! No. She looks at the camera. She's a little ham. She's hamming it up for the camera.
You are such a
little ham for the camera. Oh, circle round. Go around in a circle. Can you say hi to everyone who watches the video? Say hi. Yeah. Let's see. Oh, is it funny? Yeah. Swoosh. Then she stands up. Oh, she says, twirl me. Yep. Tongue out, twirl me. Stand up, tongue out. What you gonna do? Do you want to do it again? All you gotta do is bend over. Bend over. Oh, there we go. Ready? One more. One more. Go for it. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Bend over. Swoosh. Good job.